Good day. This today we want to look at cubic equations. I want to look at alternative way of solving cub- cubic equation. Now we have other methods of solving it. We have cardinal method. We have other methods. We have inspection method. But we want to look at this method, and it's very fast, very short method. Now we want to solve this. Let's look at this. We can take this one to the other side. We have x cubed minus 15x equals to 4. Now we factor out x. We have x into x squared minus 15 equals to 4. Now divide through by x. So we have x squared minus 15 equals to 4 all over x. Now this is where the trick is. Whatever we want to make this one a perfect square here, and we must add a certain number, and the number that we had must be the factors of this 4, must be factors of 4. Any number to add must be factors of 4. I know very sure if I add 1 to this, 1 is the factors of 4. So let me add 1 to this. So I have x squared minus 15 minus 1 equals to 4 all over x minus 1. So now I've added minus 1 to both sides. Now let's look at what we have. We now have x squared minus 16 equals to 4 minus x all over x. Now you can see that it is very easy to write this as x squared minus 4 raised to power this is equal to 4 minus x all over x. You can see that this is a factors of this. This one is inside this one. That is the our that is where we are driving at. Then I can write this one as x minus 4 difference of 2 square x plus 4 then equals to 4 minus x all over x. Then let's take this one back. Let's take x back to this place. We have x into x minus 4 into x plus 4 equals to 4 minus x. Then let's take this one to make this side 0. To make the right hand side is 0. So we have x into x minus 4 into x plus 4 plus x minus 4 equal to 0. This is what we have. This is what we have. You can see that you can factor x minus 4 out of this place. Then we have x minus 4 into x into x plus 4, then plus 1 equal to 0. It means that x minus 4 equal to 0, or when you factorize this, we have x squared plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So you can solve this using quadratic formula and solve this. It implies that x is equal to 4. Or when you solve this with quadratic formula, then we have something like this. We have x equals to minus b, that's minus 4, plus or minus square root 4 squared minus 4ac 4ac That is 4. So all over 2a. That's 2. So we have x equals to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 all over 2. X now equals to minus 4 plus or minus 12 root 12 all over 2. Then we have x equals to minus 4 plus or minus, this one will be 2 root 3 all over 2. So we have x equals to minus plus or minus. Let's factor 2 out. So we have minus 2 plus or minus root 3. So this is what we have. So meaning that x equals to minus 2 plus root 3 or minus 2 minus root 3. So these are the three, these are the solution to this. Now let's move to question number 2. Question number 2. We have x squared cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x plus 10 equals to 0. Now this, now you can use the same thing. Let's factor, let's take this 10 to the other side. We have s is for 3 minus 6x squared plus 3x equals to minus 10. Now x is common, x squared minus 6x plus 3 equals to minus 10. Now let's divide 2 by x. So we now have x squared minus 6x plus 3 equals to minus 10 all over x. Now let's look at the factors of this. What can we add to this in such that the factors, it was what we add to this, then and its factors of 10, and that will make this one, that make this, and this one will be a factors of this again. Now let's look at, if I add 5, 5 is the factors of 10. If I add 5, I will have 8 here. And let's look at it. 8, we can use 2 and 4. If this place is 8, so we have x squared minus 6x, then plus 8 equals to minus 10 all over x plus 5. Because it's 5 that I have added to both sides. Now, I can factorize this. Of course, the factors of 8, 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So we have x minus 2 and x minus 4. Of course, minus times minus, that will give us plus. Then, so these are the factors. Of course, this this is a part of this. Now, if we factorize, you can see that 2 can go in this place. That will give us 2 and 1. So that will be x will be 2 here, 2 here. That will give us 5. 5 is factors of this, so that we get this one, we get this one here. Of course, this one is inside this place. So let's look at it. The two factors of this are x minus 2 into x minus 4 equals to, now we have minus 10 plus 5x all over x. So we can take this one back. X now equals to x into 2 into x minus 4, then equals to minus 10 plus 5x. Now let's take this one to the other side. We have x into x minus 2 into x minus 4. Now we have 10 plus 10 minus 5x equal to 0. Now minus 5 is common. Let's take minus 5 out. X is equal to x into minus 2 into x minus 4. Now minus 5 is common here. We have minus 5 into, so I will now have 5 minus minus 2 plus minus 2 plus x equal to 0. Of course, so we have x into x minus 2 into x minus 4. Let's rearrange this one. We rearrange this, we have minus 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, x minus 2 is common, you can take it out. So we have x minus 2 into x into x minus 4, then minus 5, which is equal to 0. Now we can have that x minus 2 is equal to 0, or if you factorize this, we have x squared minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So you can see that x now is equal to 2. Then you can now use quadratic formula to find the other root of this equation. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to Great World Dictionary tutor. Thank you.